Hello students, dear 9th class students, welcome to our today's maths class. So students, continuation of our chapter, four problems left in this lines and angles chapter. Lines and angles, this is our chapter and we are in exercise 4.4 exercise and continuation, this is 13th problem. Up to 12 we completed. So read the 13th question and draw the diagram. So students, that is the question, and find the value of x and y. X and y from this diagram. Find the value of x and y. See here. In the given figure, PQ is parallel to ST. ST or SR, same line, ST or SR. PQ parallel to SR. PQ parallel to ST. See here students, PQ parallel to ST or SR. Only SR is written, Q is not mentioned. Okay, no problem. Same line, we can take any 2 points on the line. See here students, PQ is parallel to SR. This is a transversal. These two are alternate angles. Suppose if I take this as some Z, these two are alternate angles. X is equal to Z. Alternate angles. Before that, I will use this concept. I will take this as Z. See here. First, I will take I am taking this angle as Z. SQR triangle. In triangle SQR. SQR, the side is produced, the exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. SR is produced. In triangle SQR, SR is produced. The exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. The exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Angle Z plus 28 is equal to 65 degrees. See students, see this diagram. Forget about everything, only concentrate on SQR triangle. This triangle This is one angle, this is one angle, this is another angle. This side is produced. This exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. This angle plus this angle is equal to 65. Important concept throughout this chapter we are using that, and only one extra concept we studied for this exercise. Remaining all we used in previous exercise also. This plus this is equal to 65. If the side SR is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So Z plus 28 is equal to 65. Angle Z is equal to 65 minus 28 is 37 degrees. Z we got. Now, PQ parallel to SR or ST. PQ parallel to you see this figure, same here I draw here, PQ parallel to SR and SQ is a transversal. SQ is transversal, then this angle is equal to this angle. That means angle X is equal to angle Z. Angle X is equal to angle Z. Angle X is equal to Z is 37, so X also 37. We got X is equal to 37. How to find Y? Students, see the triangle. In triangle PQS, see only PQS. What is this angle? Y. What is this angle? It is given that this is perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. It is given in the question and symbol also mentioned. That is the symbol for 90 degrees. This is Y plus this is P. This is X. The sum is 180 degrees because sum of three angles of a triangle. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This is first angle, this is second angle, this is third angle. Sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Y we don't know, we have to find 90 only. X we got here 37 is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore Y is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 37 is 127. Right answer. Right. Simple concept. Z plus 28 is equal to 65. Sum of two interior opposite angles is equal to this exterior angle. So Z is equal to 37. Next, this is equal to this. X is equal to Z, alternate angles. So X is equal to 37. Next, Y plus this 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degrees. This is, we don't know, this is 90, this is 37, so 90 plus 37, 127, that side minus 127, 180 minus 127 is 53 degrees. Right. Students, write the 14th question. figure ABC. See here. ABC is a triangle. This is 125. That's all. D. Given that angle A is to angle B is equal to 2:3. Angle A is to angle B is equal to 2:3. That is given, students. So then let angle A is equal to A 2 ratios, B 3 ratios means A is equal to 2K, B is equal to 3K. Angle A is to angle B is equal to 2:3. A is equal to 2K, B is equal to 3K. A is equal to 2K, B is equal to 3K. Now students, see here. In triangle ABC, side AC is produced. See, side AC is produced. Side is produced. If one side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. That means 1 plus 2. This plus this is equal to this. If one side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Then the exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of two interior angles. This plus this is equal to 125. This is A. See, we can write in different ways. BAC, we can write it as BAC. We can write CAB like that. But in the question, it is only given as angle A. So this is angle A plus angle B. This angle plus this angle is equal to 125. This angle plus this angle is equal to 125. So what is A? 2K. B is 3K is equal to 125. So 5K is equal to 125. K is equal to 125 by 5 is 25. But what is our question? Angle A we require. Angle A is equal to 2K. 2 into 25, 50. Angle B is required. So angle B is 3K. Angle B is 3K. 3 into K is 25. So 75 degrees. Over. Right on, students. these two are parallel. See students, in the given figure, this total angle is 180 degrees. 102 degrees plus this side is 102. This side, what is the name of this angle? BCA. BCA angle. Angle BCA. Sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? This is a straight line angle. Straight angle. This angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. That is a straight angle. Straight angle. This side angle plus this side angle, the total angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So this is angle BCA is equal to 180 minus 102 is 78 degrees. Angle BCA is over. First question. See the first question. Angle BCA is asked. We got it. Simple logic. This side angle plus this side angle, the total angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. This plus this is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is straight angle, straight line angle. Now, second question. ADE, ADE. ADE. So we got this angle, that is over. ADE. This angle we have to find. First let me find this angle, students. This angle I will find. This angle I will find. How to find this angle? Sum of three angles is equal to 180. This plus this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 180 degrees. See angle. How I am writing this angle? Angle ACB or BCA. Anyway we can write. BCA this angle. What is the name of this angle? ABC. This angle plus what is the name of this angle? BAC. This angle, angle BAC. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle. BCA we got 78. ABC we don't know. BAC is 35 is equal to 180. Angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 35 plus 75 is 130. That is 67. Angle B is 67. This angle is 67. But our second question is, what is our second question, students? Our second question is, find this angle. These two are corresponding angles. This is parallel to this. This is a transversal. One is exterior, one is interior. These two are corresponding angles. This is 67. This is also 67. See here. DE parallel to BC. These two are parallel. This is a transversal. DA is transversal. So this angle ADE, this angle is equal to angle ADE is equal to this angle is equal to this angle ABC. These two are equal corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So ADE is equal to this angle is 67. This is also 67 corresponding angles. Second question is over. See, this plus this is 180. From that concept we got this angle as 78. So this is 78 plus this is 35 plus this plus this is equal to 180 degrees. So we got this angle as 67. If this is 67, this is also 67 corresponding angles. Next, third question. What is the other angle required? CED. See here. CED. This angle. Angle CED. This angle is equal to this angle because corresponding angles. CED, this angle is equal to this angle. The name is ACB. Corresponding angles. So CED is equal to this angle ACB is ACB. BAC or ACB? BAC is written. See, BAC we can write, ACB we can write. Anyway we can write because already it is in the question it is written as BCA. So this angle is equal to this angle corresponding angles. So this is already 78. If this is 78, this is also 78. This is 78. This is also 78. Why these two are corresponding angles? These two are parallel lines. This is a transversal. So one is exterior, one is interior. So the angles are equal. That's all. So 15th, all 3 bits I completed. So 16, 17 in the next class so that this chapter will be over. Complete.